How to fix messages failed to send on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to troubleshoot and fix the issue of messages failing to send on an iPhone. So let's get started. So if you're able to see this issue that says message not delivered, whenever you're trying to send on your text message or iMessages, you can just click on it. And when you click on it, you'll be able to see your message was not sent. Tap try again to send this message. So you can just click on try again, and there is possibility that if you're trying to send an iMessage, they'll shift your message towards text message and then your message would be sent. However, if the issue is still there, you can head over to your phone settings. And here you can click on airplane mode. You'll be able to see a toggle button over here. So you can toggle airplane mode on and then toggle it off. So what happens is that your phone signal can get reset by doing this. And if you do that, your message should be sent. However, if the issue is still there, you can go to Safari and here search for speed test. So just type in speed test and press go. So once you do so, you gotta click on continue on the web and then click on go. So what basically it will do is that it will run a speed test on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, whichever you're using, in order for you to know that whether your Wi-Fi or your cellular network is working fine and it has enough power to send or receive messages. So once you've done with the speed test, and if it is less, so I suggest you shifting to a very strong Wi-Fi or a cellular network. However, if the speed test goes well as well and the issue is still there, then head over to your phone settings and scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of apps. So just click on apps. And here you're going to find the option of messages. So scroll down till you find the option of messages and press on it. So once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says iMessage. So you'll be able to see a toggle button over here. So I suggest you to turn it off and then turn it on, and it will help you solve the problem. So if you do so and the issue is still there, you can go back to your settings, go all the way up and click on general. And here you can scroll all the way to the bottom and click on shutdown. And then after that, you can restart your phone. So sometimes the issue might be because of signals, and just a simple reboot of your phone helps solving the problem. And once you do so, your issue would be resolved and you'll be able to send the message successfully. So that was basically how you can troubleshoot and fix the issue of messages failing to send on an iPhone. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.